welcome to the crypto jungle. My name is Blue the Bear, and here on the channel I try to eliminate some of the hype, eliminate some of the shilling, eliminate some of the noise so that you can have a place where you can get a non-biased opinion on the crypto markets as a whole. You know, it's there's a lot of shills out there, there's a lot of misinformation, there's a lot of misguidance, and in my opinion 99% of cryptocurrencies are worth fucking zero. So if you want me to break down why I think this and also break down some of the projects that I think do have value, then hit the subscribe button below. In today's video, I want to do just a general market update. I want to take a look at Bitcoin. I want to take a look at total, Ethereum, and well, I also got a request to take a look at Illuvium, so we may as well just take a look at the metaverse as a whole. Yeah, so without any further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at the king of all crypto, and that is Bitcoin. Just got our daily close on Bitcoin here, so we are still holding above a critical level here. So this level of around 54,000, we'll call it 55, nice even numbers, holding as support. So we got a little bit of a bullish divergence that is wanting to play out here. So you can see a collection of lows there and a flat area, so a mild divergence, but it's occurring in the bullish control zone, at the lower band of the bullish control zone. So on the RSI, when you're on the daily chart, any time that the RSI is between the 40 level and the 80 level, that's to be considered a healthy trend or a healthy trending environment. So right now we're at the lower end of a healthy trending environment. I would expect a little bit of a move here, likely to the upside, heading back up to the top of the channel ideally, which would correlate with a breakout of the local all-time high and a continuation of this beautiful trend that we have here. I'm really not as bearish as a lot of people in crypto are right now, but because we got a low, we have a high, a higher low, a higher high, and a higher low. So the assumption is trend continuation, and that would lead us to a higher high. So as far as the local trend here in Bitcoin, we're looking pretty good. That is also the case here on total. So the total market cap has achieved this beautiful support slash resistance flip here. Let me just get my brush tool. Beautiful support slash resistance flip right here. You can see we had our all-time high here. We had a test of that all-time high and we broke through it and now have tested down here more than once. We tested here and we tested here. This is occurring at the lower end of this bull market channel that we have established here since the COVID shakeout. They're looking pretty good. So I'm liking what I'm seeing here in total. I'm liking what I'm seeing in Bitcoin, and I'm also liking what I'm seeing in Bitcoin dominance. So Bitcoin dominance is trending to the downside. We're still inside of this local consolidation right here. We've been in this consolidation since May. So we haven't had a trend outside of this. I want to see us break down below 40. If we can start breaking down below 40, are we going to see some beautiful price action inside of the altcoins. What Bitcoin dominance represents is just the market share of Bitcoin compared to the rest of the altcoins. This chart will trend to the downside as cryptocurrency grows more and more and more. It typically trends to the upside when you're at a bear market, and it trends to the downside when you're in an altcoin season. So a break below 40 is going to look really good for me, and I would love to see the altcoins in that kind of environment. Speaking of altcoins, let's take a look at Ethereum. So Ethereum is wanting to break out. It is leading in structure against Bitcoin. Bitcoin's not nearly Bitcoin's a lot more volatile and testing some lows of the channel more often than Ethereum. Ethereum has a much tighter price action and a much tighter area of test here. So we have this support slash resistance that we've overtaken. We're in our local consolidation right here. If we can get a break above, let's say 48,000, let's call it 5. If you get a clean break above 5, that's going to be a nice psychological level to overcome. If we start trending above 5,5100, stuff like that, then the next target would honestly, in my opinion, I think we'd be up at like 10 grand. My end of cycle targets for Ethereum, as bullish as it sounds, and again, nothing here is financial advice, but I would not be surprised to see a $20,000 Ethereum in the coming months, maybe Q1 of next year, possibly. So let's take a look at Illuvium. So Illuvium, forget it, doesn't matter what it is, play to earn, metaverse, the whole space, NFTs, land sales, it's way fucking overvalued. Way overvalued. People are losing sight of the fact that normal people don't want to spend thousands of dollars to get an entry player into a video game. Not saying that's the case with Illuvium. Illuvium's been trending because of its farming. So, you know, there's something to do with the token right now. There's currently no game, just a slick trailer. And it's valued at an obscene amount of money. I really think that the metaverse sector, like the whole gaming sector, NFT, play to earn, you know, pick the buzzword, it's fucking overheated. So I would not be surprised to see this come back down to about a quarter ETH per Illuvium. So I'd be looking down in this general area for another test. If we go ahead and take a look at Illuvium on the dollar pair, ILV, we'd be looking at a test down to about 1,200. 12 to $1,000 is a very nice psychological level for us to regain some clarity and regain some sanity. You know, the reality is this game doesn't fucking work. There's nothing here. There's nothing to play. There's nothing to determine value on outside of speculation, and the speculation is running rampant inside of the metaverse. So realize where you are in the price cycle and trade accordingly. That is all the time I have for today. If you guys enjoyed this content, please leave it a like. Don't forget to subscribe. If there are any projects that you would like me to take a look at, leave them in the comment section down below. And until next time, please trade safe. It is a jungle out there. Peace.